Awesome, another trade in profit. Oops. The result is $700. Let's be honest, I was pretty skeptical after testing so many strategies, but as they say, the only people who never make mistakes are the ones who don't try. And luckily, my mistakes led me to something that actually works. This method is legit, it's simple, effective, and gets results. I promise you will catch on quickly and be able to use it on your own in no time. For this strategy, we only need two trusty assistants, Bollinger Bands and the stochastic indicator. The first one helps track market volatility and show the price range, while the second one signals when an asset is overheated or too cold. Don't worry, it's super simple. I will explain exactly what settings you need to use to make everything run like clockwork. Now let's break down how to open trades using these indicators. First, let's go ahead and add our indicators, Bollinger Bands and stochastic. These are our best friends for today's trading session. Bollinger Bands, period 20, deviation 2, stochastic 5, 3, 3, levels 80, 20. I'm trading on a 1 minute time frame with a 2-minute trade expiration. My trade size is $100 and my account balance is $9,586. So the goal for today, add $500 in profit. So now let's start looking for the first solid opportunity. This looks like a perfect moment for a long trade. I accidentally opened two positions, but no worries, it happens. The key is to stay focused. So, why am I going long? The price has tested the support level multiple times without breaking through, and we are seeing a third bounce reaction, a strong sign of a potential reversal. So, plus the stochastic indicators show the price is overbought, which increases the chances of a pullback at least to the middle Bollinger Band. So, by the way, the price is currently ranging, and that's exactly where our indicators perform at their best. And just like that, my love, the trade closed in profit. Even that accidental trade worked in our favor. So sometimes a little risk pays off with a great risk-reward ratio. So now let's keep hunting for the next opportunity. Today's strategy is only a glimpse of what I work on behind the scenes. On my Telegram channel, I dive deeper into how to fine-tune it for the real market so you never miss a profitable move. Join through the link below the video to get the latest and most accurate signals that will take your trading to the next level. I see a great opportunity for the next trade. The price has tied the upper Bollinger Band and the stochastic is signaling that the asset is in the overbought zone. This could mean a correction is coming at least to the middle band. Remember how we got that strong push during the double bottom pattern? That's exactly the kind of move I'm expecting here. Or on the flip side, we might see a double top forming. So let's wait and see. Awesome, another trade in profit, a perfect start to the session. Now let's look for the next trading opportunity. Okay, time to go short. If this trade ends in a loss, no stress, I'm always ready to re-enter. I see the price bouncing off the upper Bollinger Band multiple times, which signals weakness. So I believe it might repeat the move, especially since the stochastic is in the overbought zone. So once the indicator starts dropping, I will get the move. So let's see how this plays out. Oops, we rushed a bit here and ended up with our first loss. I think it would be better to wait for a reaction from the upper band and try to re-enter the trade, or just find a new opportunity altogether. Don't lose heart, we'll learn from every setback. On the Euro-Franc pair, I couldn't find a better situation, so I'm switching over to a long trade on another pair. I want to make up for that previous loss, so I'm increasing my risk to $300 per trade. The price is in a range, having bounced off the lower support several times, and now it's in the oversold zone according to the stochastic. Our target is the middle Bollinger Band. Either the price will break support and drop, or we will land a profitable trade. It's simple. Let's see how this one plays out. Super! That trade closed in profit. Even though the reaction wasn't very strong, we still managed to make a gain. Now I'm gearing up for another trade with my standard risk of $100. Here is another long trade. I got in a bit late, but the logic is solid. The price reached the 20 zone of the stochastic and held above it, signaling a potential reversal. So on the Bollinger Bands, it didn't hit the lower band, and I spotted a support level that once acted as resistance. It tested that level and bounced off. I could have entered earlier, but I think this will work out well. I will be watching closely to see how it all unfolds. Make a profit on this trade. My analysis was spot on, and the price is impulsively pushing higher. And now, back to the most exciting part, searching for new opportunities. Here, I'm opening a short trade. I see the price approaching the upper Bollinger Band where the stochastic is in the overbought zone. There is a high chance of either a strong breakout upwards or a correction back to the middle band before continuing the uptrend. So let's see how this plays out. Alright, we got a downward reaction and successfully capitalized on that move. We could wait and see if there is another reaction at the lower boundary of the stochastic, especially seeing the price is now at the middle Bollinger Band. But we have already caught a reaction, so let's check out some other pairs. Be sure to join my Telegram channel where you will access deeper insights and exclusive strategies, along with the latest trading updates and tips. Opening a long trade on Euro GBP. Maybe I could have waited a bit longer, but here's what I see. The price is reaching the lower stochastic boundary and a strong support zone. At the same time, the upper and lower Bollinger Bands are tightening, which usually signals a strong upcoming move. So I see the price selling here. I'm betting on a solid long. Trade closed in profit. The impulse wasn't as strong as I hoped, but still a win is a win. Maybe the price will continue moving further. We will see. Right now, my capital has grown to $10,134. Starting balance was $9,586. The main plan for this strategy is accomplished, but I'm not stopping just yet. I will open a few more trades. Opening another long trade. It's a bit risky, but I see a reaction from a resistance zone. Also, the price is near the lower stochastic boundary, which means there is potential for an upward move. I really want to see this push in the right direction. Let's see how it plays out. The trade closed in profit. The impulse wasn't as strong as expected, but the main thing is that I made a profit. As I see, the price might continue moving upwards, but I probably won't manage to enter the next trade. And that's fine, because I have already had a nice series of profitable trades. So let's keep this momentum going. Opening a short trade now. Pay attention, we are in a period of low volatility. So trading is a bit more challenging, but in this range we can catch great bounces, both from the lower and upper Bollinger Bands. The stochastic is in the overbought zone, so I'm expecting a correction. The narrowing of the band suggests a strong move in either direction. Stay alert and keep your finger on the pulse. And I'm in profit on this trade. So the result is $700. My goal for today is achieved. Of course, it could have been better as objectively this wasn't my best trading day, but as an example of what you can get by following my strategy, I think it's a very good result. And it's all thanks to this powerful strategy using Bollinger Bands and Stochastic. It's so simple that even beginners can handle it with ease. You can customize it to suit your trading style by choosing a comfortable trading interval and optimal trade expiration time. Remember to start with a demo account to find your perfect settings, and always keep your risk management under control. No more than 1-3% of your deposit on one trade. You have already seen how well the strategy works in practice, and it really pays off. Use it as a tool. Add your own touches, experiment, and improve your skills. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Let every trader find something useful here. And don't forget about my Telegram channel, where you can find the freshest and most promising signals from me, which will significantly improve the quality of your trades. Trade wisely, don't rush, and remember, success comes through well thought out decisions and hard work. See you in the next video, friends.